Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with the first collab challenge of the year. And it is Maker's Choice, so whatever you got for Christmas, it's the perfect time for you to craft with. All right, so I am going to jump right in, show you the things that I use to create my cards. So I am using these stitch cupcakes, these balloons, Gina Marie Designs, the enamel dots. I'm using this color blue, I believe. I'm using these here and the pinks. Honeybee stamps, using this. My Craft Time, using these. Concord and Ninth. Hero Arts. Reverse Confetti is now closed, but I'm using this. And I also use these paints for my paint splatter. I use white and I want to say black. Here we are. I got that. I didn't show you this because I actually made this with my silhouette. So I really had fun creating this. I had pulled it off of Pinterest, so and then just created it into a file so that I can use that. And then I printed these sentiments out on my computer, and then I used my Creative Time die to cut that out. As you can see, the paint splatter in the background. I did add some shimmer, the iridescent spray, onto the cards. And there goes the inside, and the inside I also used the Hero Arts Infinity dies. So there goes that one. I just flipped the colors to that and did the same thing with everything else. And then I was so happy with these that I thought I would make a couple more. And then here's the other card. Here I was so excited I decided to pull in some balloons and do this pretty much the same thing. And then like I said, I printed these sentiments out on my computer, and then just use that U die to go with that. Pretty much the same. And there goes that one. Had so much fun. I created a whole set. All right, so make sure you join in on the collab. This will also be entered into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Julia Norwood, and that's another open collab. So make sure you join in on the fun. All right, next week's theme will be Case a Card. And so if you'd like to join in on that, just case anyone's card, show what you cased it from, and how your card turned out. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You have a blessed and crafty day.